Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your animal training school business. So let's suppose I'm running animal training school business and I'm receiving some queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, when I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot and when a user is going to send me the message, automatically the reply will be sent to that user. And with the help of this Pabbly Connect integration, I'm going to add all the response sent by this user to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your animal training school business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this once. For that, I have opened my WhatsApp and I'm going to send this message like hello, and I'm going to receive a message. Hi, I'm Pabbly, your virtual assistant. How can I help you? So I can help you with training schedule, training tips, booking session. If I click on this training schedule, I am going to receive a message for the entire schedule. If I click on this yes, book now, I'm going to receive the booking questions. If I click on this training tips, I'm going to receive few tips, and then it is going to ask me whether I want to get the daily tips, weekly tips or not. And then if I click on this booking session, it is going to ask me few questions. If I enter all these questions, you will see that my Google Sheets will be automatically filled with all the answers. I'm going to provide all the answers quickly. So I'm going to send my name and it's going to ask me my pet's name. I'm going to send this message and it is going to ask me my pet type. I'm going to send this message and it is going to ask me the training type. So I'm going to send this message service animal training, and it is going to ask me the date. I'm going to enter the date. I'm going to send this message and it is going to send me the next message as thanks for booking Shumurthy. We have received your session request. Our team will review and confirm your booking. Meanwhile, you can call or chat on this number, and we look forward to helping Diago train like a pro. You can see that we have received a personalized message, and you can create such messages too. If I open my Google Sheet spreadsheet, I can see that all the details are automatically added. The name is this. Pet type was dog, pet name was Tiago, training type was service animal training, and then the date is this. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your animal training business. For this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this button, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. I have already created my Pabbly Chatflow account, and this dashboard gives the overview of all the activities, insights and performance metrics. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to open this inbox, and this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. I have this contacts which manage my lead customers and their details. I have this team queues which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. I have this templates which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. I have this broadcast which send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. With the help of this flows, we can build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. With the help of this AI assistant, we can use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. Here activity log shows all the activities in our Pabbly Chatflow account. We have the settings where we can configure account integration and preferences. Over here we have this option of get help, which access support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now moving back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to open the flows. So let's open the flows. Here we have landed towards the flow builder. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this. And here we have landed towards this page. Now before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot for your animal training school business. And on the left hand side, we have two very most important options of messages and actions. And under these options, we have the very most important buttons. So let's quickly go through all the buttons. With the help of the text button, we will be able to send the text message. With the help of this media button, we will be able to send images, videos, audios, or documents. We can use this list to provide many options to the users. If you want to send the catalog message, single product message, or the multi-product message, you can use this method. So templates is a pre-designed message format which includes text, images, buttons, and links. Under the actions, we have the condition which helps us branch the flow. We can ask the address of the user, location. We can ask them any question and save that in contact custom field. We can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add tag to segment the user. We can use API request to send or retrieve the data from external APIs. And we can use this connect flow to connect one flow to another flow. Now to create or activate this chatbot, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like the hello, hey, and hi. And then I'm going to enter the regex. So here regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. I'm going to enter the regex like, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the very same pattern. Now you can trigger the WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, and whatever keywords you are going to add is going to trigger that chatbot, or you can use the regex, or you can use both. For now, I'm simply going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. Now as soon as I've triggered this WhatsApp chatbot, I have to send the message. Over here you can see as I have sent the message, I was able to receive this message. So for that, I have to go towards my flow and I have to click on this circle, and from my content type, I'm going to select this as text plus button, and then I'm going to write, hi, I'm Paul, your virtual assistant. I can help you with. And over here in this message, you can see that I have provided the buttons, and when I click on any of the buttons, the next message was sent to me. So here I'm going to add the button in which I'm going to add the fields like, I have entered all the fields, training schedule, training tips, and booking session. If you want to bold your text, what you can do, you can simply put the star in the end and in the beginning of the sentence, or the word. I want to bold this pal, so I have entered star in the beginning of this word and in the ending of this word. Now I'm going to create the message for each of these buttons. Over here, I'm going to follow the same process. I'm going to drag and drop and then select my content type. So here I'm quickly going to create all the messages and buttons. So here I have created all the buttons and all the messages. For this first button which I have created, training schedule, I have sent the schedule, and then I have asked them, do they want to book or do they want to get back to the main menu? If they click on this book, I'm going to send this message which I have created for the booking. If they click on this yes, book now, I'm going to send the message which I have created for the booking. And if they click on this main menu, I'm going to send this first message. If they click on this training tips, I'm going to send this message in which I'm going to send the tip, and then I'm going to ask, do you want to get the daily tip, weekly tip, or you do not want anything? So I have not created the message for this, no thanks, but I've created or subscribed these users to this daily tips and weekly tips if they wanted to. And if they click on this booking session, what I have done, I have drag and drop ask question, and then I have entered my question, and then I have selected my contact custom field, and then I have selected the format. If I'm asking the full name, I have selected this as text. If I'm asking the date, I have selected the format as date. I hope this is clear to you. If you ask the phone number, you simply enter the format as number. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have to go towards the settings and then click on this contact custom field. Here, whenever you are asking the question, you have to make sure that you create the contact custom field for that question, so that whatever you are asking, the answers get saved in this contact custom field. In this contact custom fields, you can see all the fields which I have created. If you remember, we have received the personalized message. So I have entered my name, I have answered their question, and that got saved in my contact custom field. And then I simply copied contact custom field, copied to clipboard, and then I have entered that to my message. Let's suppose this is the message. So I have entered that or pasted that, and this particular thing is going to make my messages personalized or dynamic. So whenever I'm going to receive new fields, this will get replaced with the name of that user and the name of the pet name. So this is how this contact custom field is useful. I have asked several questions: their name, pet type, training, date, and then I have sent all these details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet which I have created. With the help of this API request, I have drag and drop this API request, and then I have clicked on this webhook URL, and then I have entered the webhook. Now how we have done this? I have already created a workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect, which I'm going to open. And I have taken my trigger application as webhook by Pabbly. If I open this, what I have done, I have simply copied this webhook URL and have pasted that webhook URL over here in this webhook field, and I have selected my API request to be post. I have created all the fields which I have asked as the question, and then I have selected the contact custom field. I have clicked on this test, and that test data was sent to me in my Pabbly Connect workflow. And then I have to make sure that I save this. If I do not save this, the flow will start showing invalid. As soon as I received the response in my Pabbly Connect workflow, I took my action application as Google Sheets. Because I want to add all these details to my Google Sheets, I've selected the spreadsheet and mapped all these details. I simply click on these fields. I click on this webhook by Pabbly from where I have captured the response and mapped the details. So this is how, with the help of this integration, I was able to send all the data which I'm receiving in my WhatsApp to my Google Sheets spreadsheet, and finally I send this message, thank you message, in which I have sent the personalized message. If you remember, I have already explained you this. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your animal training school business. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video below, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.